Hi everybody. These are three glasses that I painted. I have an LSU glass that I did some dots on the left. LSU I did purple and gold. And the middle one I have, it says Louisiana Girls Love the Saints, and I did it in gold and black. And on the back of it I put the fleur-de-lis. And then I dotted the gold dots with the black in the center. And on the bottom, I painted it gold. You can see I used a scruffy brush, and then I went around with black dots. And because Louisiana girls do love the Saints. So that's that. And on this is for my son-in-law. He had a big mug like this, and it broke off in the handle. His kids had made it for him, and he asked me to make him another one. So what I did, he likes the Saints also. We're from Louisiana, and so I just put the fleur-de-lis on there and the gold dots there, and he loves LSU. He loves it. All the kids, they all went to LSU. Louisiana State University. So I just put LSU and I put the gold dots on it, yellow, and then I put the gold dots on there. And that's it's 8-inch mug, and it's heavy. But anyway, he's a big guy, so he's going to do good with that. This year I did the pointillism, or the dotting, and then I put the dots all around. Okay, I just wanted to show you the wine glasses and the beer mug. Okay, thanks a lot for stopping in. I appreciate it. Hope you all have a good evening, and take care. Take care of yourselves. Take care of others. Okay, thank you again. Bye-bye.